Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to introduce you about the Google bots. What are the Google bots and how is important in SEO? So let's discuss about the role of Google bot in SEO. So do you know the Google bots has its mobile and the desktop crawler. Google bots run thousands of the machines. How Google bots access your websites? So number one, crawl the website. So basically it works on its algorithm. So when the Google bots come at your website, it basically is to read and scan the source code, the entire source code of your website, and after that it index your web pages, and basically it store the information in its database and analyze the new and updated content. And number three, improve the visibility. So basically it improves the visibility in search engine. So basically it works, and the Google bots uses a network of computer to crawl the website or web pages. It's basically it render the website and run the JavaScript to understand the content. So basically how you can control it? So when you can control it by changing your crawling rate in Google Search Console and deleting content, restricting access to control, using the no index meta and using the URL removing tool. And after that you can also use the robots file. So basically what are the robots file? Robots.txt file is a text file basically, so which shows the visibility, which page you want to allow or disallow. So in robot.txt it uses an asterisk. So and asterisk represent a wildcard user agents, which means that the basically it that the instruction basically it gives the instruction to all the crawlers or the bots. So you can control it by using the asterisk. So this is the small information about the Google bots. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.